everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Barclays credit card account. If you'd like to access your credit card account online right from your mobile devices or your computer, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, search for Barclays credit card login and press enter. In the search results displayed on the next page, you can click on this Welcome to Card Servicing, Welcome to Barclays US link at the top, and you'll end up in the login area. Go ahead and type in your information in order to access your credit card account. Make sure to type in your username correct in the first text box and then enter your password in the next field. Make sure to type in your information correct while logging into your account. Right next to the password box, if you want to double check your password, you can click on this little eye icon where it says remember username. You can check this box if you want the system to remember your username so that next time you're logging into your account, you won't have to type it again. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, simply click on this link that says forgot username or password and follow the instructions. Finally, after entering your username and your password correct, click on the login button in blue and you'll end up in your credit card area soon after you're logged in. That is how you'll be able to log into Barclays credit card account if you want to manage your credit cards, make a purchase, or whatever you want to do. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Again, thank you for watching.